Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suraj Chirania, consultant hematologist and bone marrow transplant physician. Many patients feel anxious when they hear about a bone marrow test. One of the most common questions people ask is bone marrow procedure painful? Let's understand this in 5 simple points. Point 1. Why is bone marrow test done? Doctor recommend a bone marrow test to diagnose various blood disorders such as leukemia, lymphoma, multiple myeloma, aplastic anemia, myelodysplastic syndrome and unexplained anemia. Or point 2. Where is procedure done? The test is usually performed from back of the pelvic bone called as posterior iliac crest. This area is chosen because it is safe and easily accessible for obtaining the bone marrow sample. Point 3. Is the procedure painful? Before starting the procedure, doctor give local anesthesia to numb the skin and surrounding tissues. Because of this, most patients feel pressure or brief discomfort rather than severe pain, and the process is generally well tolerated. Point 4. What happens during the procedure? First, the doctor performs the bone marrow aspiration to collect the bone marrow, followed by a bone marrow biopsy to obtain a small core of tissue. The entire process usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes and patients are monitored briefly afterwards. Point 5. Recovery after the test. After the procedure, a small bandage is applied over the site. Most patients can go home within 1 to 2 hours and return to normal activities next day. The key message is that bone marrow examination is a safe and important diagnostic procedure and help doctors identify many blood disorders accurately. Thank you for watching. For more simple explanation about blood disorders, subscribe to the channel Dr. Suraj Chirania, Hematologist.